Did you know that Norwegian forest cats are known for their impressive climbing skills? They have strong, sturdy bodies and are natural climbers. These cats have thick coats that protect them from harsh weather, making them perfect for the cold Norwegian winters. Norwegian forest cats are friendly and social creatures, often forming strong bonds with their families and even other pets. They are also known for their playful and adventurous nature, often exploring their surroundings like true little explorers. With their large paws and thick fur, they are built to traverse snowy terrains, making them perfect for their native habitat.